Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to block age on Tinder. If you tried Tinder with the wrong date of birth information and you'd like to change your age on Tinder, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First tab, open a Tinder application and log into your account if necessary. Once you're in, go to the bottom right and tap on the human eye again, because we're open up your profile, and as you can see that my age is visible at the top of my profile. If you've typed in a wrong information for your age, and if you've done it without linking your Facebook account with your Tinder, then you might be out of luck. In order to change your age on Tinder profile that you've not linked with your Facebook, the only thing you can do is to go to your settings, scroll all the way down and tap on delete account. Once you delete your account, you'll need to go and create a new Tinder profile, and this time you can input your correct age. There's another way how you can change your birthday information on Tinder. First, you need to make sure that you have signed up using your Facebook account while creating a Tinder account. Tap on Login with Facebook and then tap on Continue as your Facebook name that you've created your account with your Facebook action and your Tinder is linked to your Facebook fan. You can easily change your age on Tinder. Go to your Facebook app on your Android or your iPhone and then however menu button at the top right corner of your Facebook. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on SEO profile. Now from your Facebook profile, tap on Edit Profile. Scroll all the way down from the bottom of the page, tab on Editor About Info, scroll all the way down to Basic Info on tap Edit. This allows you to update your birthday, gender, religious and political views. Right now we're going to focus on the date of birth option. Simply select your date of birth year from the drop-down and simply correct your month or your date if necessary. Once you post the information has been corrected, how about save at the top right corner? Now close the Facebook app and simply tap open your Tinder application. Now go to your profile and remember that the chase age won't show up unless you cause your Tinder account, and Tinder should update your age in the app within 24 hours. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.